How to recover locked Bank of America mobile banking account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you recover a locked Bank of America mobile banking account. So first thing first, what you want to do is you could go to the login page, and there you could simply tap forgot user ID or password. As soon as you do this, you will be asked to type in your card number, the social security, and a tax identification number. And you could go ahead and tap on the continue, and this should be able to help you out recover your account as well. If you are not receiving authorized code, you could verify your phone number and email address as well. And if login fails, you could try deleting and reinstalling the app, or log in via a browser to check if an account is unlocked. And if nothing works out, then you could simply contact support team by going to a browser, type in Bank of America support. Once you do it, so you can then go ahead and contact a toll-free number as well, and this way you should be able to recover your locked Bank of America account. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.